Okay, so here is the Lost Galaxy Lightning Collection Magna Defender. Nice artwork on the box. See, it goes all the way around. Great display window. Alright, now let me get him out of the box. Okay, here he's out of the package. As you can see, he comes with the gun, with the gun mode and the effects part, which acts as a blaster. And he comes with these two extra hands. And this one here, which the sword does come out of. Doesn't come apart on this side. Now the blast effect will only go on one way, otherwise it won't stay on and will work. Articulation wise, he's got a double ab crunch. Head go all the way around. You can look up and look down. Well, not very much, but it can. Arm go all the way up, like so. Go all the way around too. Got double elbow, wrist rotation, and twisting. Now the one thing on this one, mine, at least for mine, on this, is that this arm is on a, sounds like a really tight ratchet as compared to this one. Leg go up that far, back not that far unless you move them out that way. Double knee bends, foot rotation, ankle tilting, ankle swerving actually, because that's where the rotation is, and up and down. And these are kind of a little tight ratchets too. The cape is nicely detailed. It's a nice flexible rubber type cape. And based on this here, looks like it can come off. Although I'm hesitant on pulling it off because it does look like it's trying to tear there. And you do have to do a little bit of wiggle wagging to get this in there. And you can see if you don't have everything positioned right, getting on the stand is It's really nicely detailed. The horns are nice and gold. The sword is nicely detailed. All the silver trim is nice. Now what I am going to do is get a second one and create the battle damage look. Yeah, probably Hasbro will probably put out a battle damage one, but they may not. And I can just get one and create it myself and have it now instead of waiting for if Hasbro decides to do it. Alright, so, and when I do get the second one, I think I will try and figure out if the cape really can come off all the way. Almost forgot. Here's how it looks with the with an original Magna Defender figure. Of course, this one I added some stuff to. Now real quick, here's the figure without what I added, minus the gun thing that it came with. This is how the figure looked. So yeah, that's a great upgrade. Also, here's how it looks with the Torzord mode. And here's how it looks with the Torzord in battle mode. And here's how he looks with the in bowl mold. So they actually kind of look good together. Not to giant scale, but still. So that's it. It's the MAGNA Defender Lightning Collection. Thanks for watching.